Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. This PC is made using brand new components excluding the motherboard, RAM, and CPU and come pre-installed with a genuine Windows 10. This item is built/tested/cleaned on site by our team of highly skilled engineers and fully functional as intended. All new other condition gaming PCs will come with 12 months warranty with us. You can buy these similar PC as well, link will be provided in the description of the video. Go there and buy one of them. That's it from this video. Keep visiting us for tech, gaming and tutorial videos.